Recently my Epson L3260 printer not work and all lights are on. Then I'm install my computer Wick reset software and check my printer status. I see my printer is service mode, this is not work. So today in this video I will show you how to fix this service mode to normal mode. Open Google Charam and in the search bar, type Epson L3260 printer driver. From the list of search results, go to the official Epson website for your region. Select your operating system and scroll down. Download firmware. After download, extract this file. And double-click open this file. Please read the introduction and software license agreement and other everything. Connect your printer with USB cable your computer and now follow the my video instructions. After complete updating, now shut down your printer and turn on that all is perfect working.